the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The news headlines. The Minister of Public Benefits has announced the preparation of its various teams to ensure the safe mobility of citizens during the recent rainy days across the country. The displacement of 27,000 families in 9 provinces following the recent attacks by Pakistani regime on civilian areas. And the continuation of the forced eviction of Palestinians from the West Bank. Welcome to our daily news package. It's Thursday, the 15th of Shawwal al-Mu'azzam 1447, the 13th of Hamal 1405, and the 2nd of April 2026. The news details. The Minister of Public Benefits stated that upon the directive of Mullah Muhammad Isa Sani, the Minister, all provincial directorates and operational teams have been instructed to maintain a full preparedness during the period of rainfall and potential flooding to ensure the safe passage of the citizens. Based on the Ministry, in the event of floods or landslide along the highways, technical teams will respond immediately to reopen roads and restore the traffic flow. The Ministry has assured the public that highways and roads across the country will remain open to traffic as much as possible during the heavy rains and flooding. Qaridin Muhammad Hanif, the Minister of Economy, announced during a coordination meeting with officials from the United Nations agencies and national and international organizations that 27,344 families have so far been displaced in 9 provinces due to what he described as brutal attacks by the Pakistani military. He noted that the affected families are spread across the provinces of Nuristan, Konar, Nangarhar, Laghman, Paktia, Khuz, Paktika, Zabul, and Kandahar. The Minister of Economy called on the United Nations agencies and partner organizations to provide urgent assistance to the displaced families. The news continuation. Sheikh Shahabuddin Delaware, the chief of the Afghan Red Crescent Society, held an online meeting with Richard Lindsay, the United Kingdom's special representative for Afghanistan, to discuss the challenges facing internally displaced families and those affected by the recent heavy rainfall. During the meeting, Mulavi Delaware emphasized the Afghan Red Crescent continue to provide humanitarian assistance to those in need, returnees, and vulnerable families, and is striving to ensure that aid reaches beneficiaries in a timely and organized manner. And ultimately, the United Nations Human Rights Office has warned of a significant rise in the forced eviction of Palestinian families from the occupied West Bank, particularly in areas surrounding East Jerusalem. Ijit Songhai, a senior UN official in the occupied Palestinian territory, stated that since October 7, 2023, the pattern of evictions has shifted from isolated incidents to more systematic actions. He added that over the past year, nearly 36,000 Palestinians have been forcibly displaced from the occupied West Bank, including the east of Jerusalem. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.